Rev up your engines and get ready to discover the 13 most incredible car gadgets available on Amazon right now. We've got everything from high-tech dash cams to smart tire pressure monitors. But here's the burning question: which of these game-changing gadgets will revolutionize your driving experience? Stay tuned to find out. 1. F26 Car Air Freshener. Revamp your driving experience with a sleek and stylish Cineo F26 air freshener. Using ultrasonic technology, this innovative accessory disperses fragrance particles throughout your car, eliminating unpleasant odors and leaving behind a long-lasting scent. With adjustable concentration and a modern design, the F26 is functional and fashionable at an affordable price of just $80. It's a smart investment for any driver. Upgrade your ride and enjoy a fresh and pleasant driving experience with the Cineo F26 Car Air Freshener. 2. GRIPMASTer. Introducing GRIPMASTer, the ultimate portable workstation designed for professionals on the go. With GRIPMASTer's secure seat belt attachment and multiple storage compartments, your documents and office supplies will always be neatly organized. Upgrade your productivity today with GRIPMASTer. Stay organized, efficient, and focused wherever you go. Experience the convenience for yourself and take control of your mobile workspace. Get your hands on GRIPMASTer now. 3. Multimedia Car Stereo. Upgrade your driving experience with the ultimate car gadget, the capacitive touchscreen multimedia car stereo. This innovative accessory boasts a large, user-friendly touchscreen display, allowing you to effortlessly control your music and media while on the move. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can seamlessly connect your phone for hands-free calls, music streaming, and more. Additionally, the stereo includes a built-in FM radio and supports various audio formats. At an affordable price of just $220, this multimedia car stereo is a smart investment for any driver seeking to enhance their ride. 4. GOVEE Underglow Car Lights. Enhance your car with the revolutionary GOVEE Underglow Car Lights. Transform your vehicle into a mesmerizing work of art with sleek LED strips that create vibrant colors and captivating patterns beneath your car. Stand out on the streets and turn heads wherever you go. These lights add a touch of magic to your car and prioritize your safety. Illuminate the road with precision whether you're driving in the city or exploring dark rural areas. Upgrade your car and make a statement with the must-have GOVEE Underglow Car Lights. 5. Universal Car Seat Covers. Upgrade your car's interior with stylish and practical leather universal car seat covers. These covers provide full protection for your car seats and feature covered LED lights, creating a cool ambient lighting effect. Made from high-quality leather, they add a luxurious touch to your car's interior, making them the ultimate car gadget every enthusiast should have. With easy installation and compatibility with most car models, these seat covers are a must-have investment for only $105. 6. SunPow 2000A Jump Starter. Introducing the SunPow 2000 Jump Starter, the must-have car gadget for all car enthusiasts. Say goodbye to the frustration of a dead car battery and embrace this powerful portable device's quick and reliable solution. With its impressive 2000 amp capacity, it can effortlessly jumpstart vehicles of various sizes, whether gas or diesel powered, but that's not all. The SunPow Jumpstarter is also a versatile power bank that provides fast charging for your mobile devices via USB-C. With a massive 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, you can jumpstart your car up to 35 times on a single charge. 7. Heavy-duty ball joint press and removal tool kit. Upgrade your garage with the Orion Motortech heavy-duty ball joint press and removal tool kit. It is designed to effortlessly remove and install ball joints, universal joints, and truck brake anchor pins, making it the perfect addition to your car maintenance arsenal. With its heavy-duty construction, this kit ensures durability and reliability, while its compact design allows for easy storage and portability. Priced at only $53, it is a cost-effective option for DIY car repairs. 8. CarWink. Introducing CarWink, the ultimate car gadget of 2023. Say goodbye to limited communication options and revolutionize your driving experience. With CarWink, you can communicate effortlessly with other drivers without leaving your vehicle. This innovative system features a sleek display mounted on your rear window and a user-friendly mobile app equipped with voice control. With a simple command, you can display images to alert drivers behind you, express gratitude, or explain emergency stops. 9. WEBUPAR Interior Car Lights. Enhance your driving experience with WEBUPAR Interior Car Lights. These sleek multicolor LED lights are the perfect addition to your car accessories collection. With a variety of colors and lighting modes to choose from, you can set the perfect mood for your ride. Installation is a breeze, and the included remote control adds convenience to your experience. These interior car lights have a universal fit, making them compatible with most car models. Don't miss out on elevating your driving experience to a new level. Get your hands on the WEBUPAR interior car lights now for an affordable price of just $53. Targeting all car enthusiasts, this is a must-have accessory. Upgrade your car today. 10. Programmable LED car display. Enhance your car's appeal and make heads turn with the latest innovation in car accessories. The scrolling Bluetooth programmable LED car display. This must-have gadget lets you personalize your vehicle with eye-catching messages, graphics, and animations. With Bluetooth connectivity, programming the display is a breeze using your smartphone. Show off your unique personality or promote your business on the go. Installing the display is a piece of cake, as it fits seamlessly in any car's rear window for just $100. 11. BOATHOIST Boat Loader. Make boat loading a breeze with the BOATHOIST Boat Loader. This compact electric loading system from an Australian company, BOATHOIST, is a must-have car gadget for 2023. With its folding design, it conveniently fits next to your roof rack. Setting it up is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes. Once it's ready, simply place your boat on the frame and press a button. Watch as your vehicle effortlessly rises along the structure, eliminating the hassle and stress of manual boat loading. The BOATHOIST Boat Loader is the perfect solution for seamless boat transportation. Say goodbye to time-consuming processes and enjoy the convenience of this innovative device. 12. ABE Mattress Inflatable Bed. Introducing the ABE Inflatable Mattress Bed with Extender, the perfect car accessory for camping, road trips, or quick naps in your Silverado. This versatile and durable inflatable bed is made of high-quality materials, ensuring comfort and longevity. The extender fits seamlessly in the Silverado truck bed, maximizing your space and providing a cozy sleeping area. With the included portable air pump, you can easily inflate and deflate the bed within minutes. This must-have gadget is ideal for adventure seekers and car enthusiasts alike. Grab yours now on Amazon for an affordable price of $131. 13. ODI Grab-It. Introducing the ODI Grab-It, the ultimate car accessory for 2023. Tired of losing small objects in your car and struggling to retrieve them? Say goodbye to that frustration. The ODI Grab-It is a compact grabber claw equipped with a removable magnet designed to pick up even the tiniest and most delicate item, such as keys, bank cards, wallets, and coins. Its flexible and telescopic design effortlessly reaches those hard-to-reach places with ease. Need some extra light? Simply attach a tiny flashlight for added convenience. Upgrade your car game with the ODI Grab-It, the coolest car gadget out there. Prices start at just $30. Get your ODI Grab-It today. As we conclude this exciting video showcasing 13 car gadgets available on Amazon, we've only scratched the surface of what's out there. Which gadget caught your eye the most? Did we feature your favorite car accessory? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive into the latest tech trends for car enthusiasts. See you soon.